Ngin Pdiang Leit yakachinga jambut chongka expert committee ong uba aldan. Ngin Pdiang Leit yakachinga jambut chongka expert committee ong uba aldan. Kumba kasoka kalakot yakren yangi hinde ngin le chua sha Paidbah ban jambut na Paidbah haswa begin le yakandu yaksoka. Namaru Paidbah udai utrai chongka nikakam ong uba aldan.
I can simply say that as a party who have championed for the cause, of the people as far as the review of the reservation policy is concerned, we are not satisfied, we are not happy with the recommendation, which is why we have made our submissions on the floor of the House. And we had also asked the government, because what we were discussing, is the recommendation of the expert committee. So it is yet to be formally and officially, accepted or adopted by the government. So I had raised this very important question before the Chief Minister, whether the Chief Minister will take us also into consideration before formally, accepted or adopted the recommendation made by the expert committee. So that itself, is indication of the fact that as a party, we are not at all satisfied and we are not going to accept the recommendation in its present form. As you have, I'm sure you must have heard, the Chief Minister, he is willing to discuss with us and even to sat one-on-one on this issue to discuss on those different recommendations and observation of the expert committee. So we will be definitely go by that first, and we will also further explore the ways and means how to ensure that what we want as a party and what we demand from the government to do will be dealt in a very serious manner. The people of the state have been the main stakeholder in this agitation, in this movement. So we cannot avoid that. We, as a party, we shall have to go to the people, explain to the people, and maybe seek the opinion from the people at large.